Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet these cute flowers. They are really quick and easy for beginners. You'll find materials list and the crochet abbreviations in the description box. Before we get started, if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Tell me what you think and where are you from. Also activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my tutorials. You can help the channel by becoming a member. Choose your subscription plan to access exclusive benefits. Starting with a slip knot. Then make 105 chains. Skip the first 2 chains. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain and make half double crochet in each stitch across. For row 2, chain 6. Turn your work. Don't count the first stitch and skip 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Skip 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Skip 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. And repeat. Skip 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the 3rd stitch and make 1 double crochet. Chain 3 until you finish this row. This row will end with 1 double crochet in the last stitch. For row 3, chain 3, turn your work, make 4 double crochet in the first 4 gaps. Here, 4 double crochet, next gap for double crochet. For double crochet, for double crochet, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the same gap. In the next gap, make a slip stitch, chain 3, then 3 double crochet. Insert your hook here under the 2 loops and make 2 double crochet. In the next gap, make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then end it with a slip stitch. Repeat for more times. Slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, two double crochet under the 2 loops here on the double crochet, and in the next space 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I'll change the color and the pattern. Make a slip stitch. Chain 4. Then 4 triple crochet in the same space. Here under the 2 loops, make 1 triple crochet, chain 2 picot, one triple crochet, and in the next space make 4 triple crochet, chain 4, then slip stitch in the same space. Repeat the last pattern until you finish this row. Thanks for watching, and if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment because this will help the channel to grow.